right on Sunset Boulevard, about to go into CB2. As you can see around me, it's nighttime. I couldn't make it here during the day, but I'm so excited to show you guys what they have inside. So let's go. I love this like brown velvety texture here. There it is. The queen is $1,600 here. This is really pretty. I love this so much. And then this is really pretty too. How much is it? Guys, this lamp is only $280. I don't know if you can see, but it's so nice. I love this lamp. I think it's 100% worth the price. It's so cute. I'm gonna get this. You guys, this couch is like my perfect couch. It's so cute, you guys. And this coffee table, I'm gonna come back and get this. Chairs right here were the ones that I was gonna get in the dining room, but I was gonna get them in black. They have a black pair. They were only, it looks like the price went up. Before they were only $2.99, and now it looks like it's $4.25. Ooh, this is really cute too. Oh my gosh, you guys, which one do you like better? This one is $2,500. It's like this really pretty velvet color, velvet texture, and like a plush pink color. It's really pretty. We're over here. one is 1700. I like this one, but it's a little bit too retro for me. Look at this light. It's so cute. I want you to see this chair right over here. So cute. And I also really like this one. I know I showed you it in silver, but they also have it in gold. And this one is, looks like it is $350. So it's just as pricey as the last one, but I think it's worth the price. And look at this credenza. So cute. All right, that is it. Hope you guys saw some stuff that you liked, and I'll catch you next time.